In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete saved searches on Facebook Marketplace. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on the Marketplace option, which is present at the bottom center of your screen. On the Facebook Marketplace, you have to tap on the search bar, which is present at the top right corner of your screen. Now, on the search bar, you will see the option of saved searches, so you have to tap on that. Now, on saved searches, you will see all of the searches that you have saved on your Facebook Marketplace. So, now if you want to delete a specific one, you have to tap on that specific search. Once you tap on that, you will again see all of the products that are related. So now, if you want to delete the specific saved search, you have to tap on the bookmark option, which is present at the top right side of your screen. This bookmark option is already blue, which means that I have already saved this on my Facebook Marketplace. So now I will simply tap on that and then tap on unsave. By doing this, I will be able to easily delete this saved search on my Facebook Marketplace. So now let's come back to my search section and tap on the saved searches. So now as you can see, I have easily deleted my saved search on Facebook Marketplace. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.